So hi everyone, this is the question next permutation from the LeetCode problem number 31. Okay, so how would we solve this question? Let's given an array like 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what is its next permutation? Actually, the meaning of next permutation is that the number by arranging these numbers that is given in array which is just greater than this number. So what is just greater than this number? The just greater number is 1, 3, 2. So how would we find out this number? This is the big problem. So our approach is that we have to make our prefix sum, make our prefix array as much as long as same. Okay, आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड? मतलब कि जैसे हमने 1 को सेम रखा, हमने उसको पीछे से चेंज किया, तो हमको पीछे से चेंज करना पड़ेगा. लेट्स टेक अ बिगर एरे जस्ट लाइक 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. So how will we find out its next permutation? So we have see from the back. Okay, it's 1, its greater is 2. So if we swap both, then it's smaller, not greater. So we have to find out from the back which is just next smaller. It's like 2 is greater than 1, so we cannot swap. 3 is greater than 2, so we cannot swap it. 3 is greater than 1. It means if we swap 3 and 1, then it's become greater, but not compulsory that it is next greater. So how would we find out that what is the next greater? So is 3 greater than 1? Yes. Is 2 greater than 1? Yes. Is 1 greater than 1? No. So in 3 and 2, which is greater? 3 greater. So but we have to find out next greater. So next greater we have to take 2 because 2 is smaller than 3, and if we swap 2 and 1, then it become greater than that, but it's not next greater. So for next greater we have to first swap 2, 3, 1 and 1, and after that we have to arrange these 3 numbers so that they become sorted order. So for that we can use sort function, or we can just simply by see that if we reverse these numbers, then it's already sorted. Okay, if we reverse, so just because sort take order of n log n time and reverse take order of n time. Okay, so just reverse it and it's become your next permutation number. So let's see the code for that. So here is the code for the next permutation. We have given a nums array. So first we have to find out its last index because we have to traverse from this last index. Then we have maintain a count which is equal to 0. This is count for that if we do not found any next greater element, then we have does not found its next permutation. We have reverse it and return it. So okay, this is count for that. Okay, so we have run a while loop such that I जब तक हमारा क्या कहते हैं, अगर पूरी लूप चल गई तो इसलिए आई है. ठीक है, इफ़ नम्स ऑफ आई ग्रेटर देन नम्स ऑफ आई माइनस 1, देन हमें काउंट इज इक्वल टू 1 कर देना है और उसको ब्रेक कर देना है. तो हमको वो नंबर मिल गया जो कि नेक्स्ट ग्रेटर है फ्रॉम द बैक साइड. ओके, मीन्स नेक्स्ट स्मॉल. यस, नेक्स्ट स्मॉल because the curve is increasing and next small is after that. Okay, so we check if count is equal to 0, means we doesn't find any small number. Okay, we doesn't find any small number, then we have only reverse it, reverse and return. Okay, but reverse. Okay, agar if count is not equal to 0, it means we find the minimum number. So minimum number is equal to nums of I minus 1 where the minimum number exists, and int p is equal to I for storing the just next greater element after which have minimum element, the next greater element of the minimum element. Okay, so we loop from last so that we can found minimum, and just minimum nums of j just minimum greater than minimum. Okay, so p is equal to j, and then you can break it, then swap these two numbers and then reverse the whole array, then you can get your answer, required answer. Okay, just type this solution in LeetCode and just submit. Okay, thank you.